Hi, I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Dennis.
Welcome to Salve Salento. And today we have some very exciting news. We're actually going to begin a new business venture, and it will be taking us out of this area. So we will be selling our home here in Galatina, that is located in the region of Puglia in Salento, the lower part of Puglia area, south in the south. So we're going to miss our friends a lot, right? We made so many
Yep.
wonderful friends here, and we're not going away
We'll
forever.
be back to visit.
We're going to definitely be back to visit, and this isn't the end for us. This is just the beginning. We're going to be starting something really new, and it's going to be just a little while, and then that's going to be off. And so right now we have to sell our home, and it's going to be such a wonderful gift for somebody that gets this property because we put our heart and soul into renovating this.
Yep. And a lot of time.
A lot of time. It took us over a year, and now it takes a lot longer now if you're renovating a property. So when we were actually renovating, it didn't take as long. Some people are waiting 2.5 years. So we were very fortunate that our property was finished sooner. But right now, it's time for us to have a change, and we're still young, so there's lots for us to enjoy in the future. And so here we go. So a little bit about this property. This property consists of three separate units that will be included in the one sale. They're located near Porta Luce in Galatina, on a very small courtyard that has the entrances for all of the properties are together.
Yes.
So you're not spread apart in other parts of the town. When you come into the courtyard, you have the doorways for all of each of the properties there. So they're all right adjacent to each other. Um, we are on the edge of the Centro Storico, so we're inside the Centro. We're very near the main piazza. I mean, we can
Yes.
see the church, the front of the church from the rooftop deck that we're on right now. But we're in the area of the Centro where we're not right in the middle of all of the shops and bars and restaurants. So you're about what, a 2 minute walk
Yeah.
from
Just
there. So you can walk to the Centro, the main piazza in the Centro Storico. You can walk there. It just takes a minute or two, and but you're still far enough away that at night, if you want to have privacy and you don't want to be in the loud, area of the piazza, you can just come home, and it's very peaceful over here at night, especially. There's beautiful views. We have the garden next to us
yes.
for the that church. So in the background, if you look up, you can see that dome. That's an ancient church. In the background, we have a beautiful garden that goes behind that church, and you can see that at night from the rooftop deck, and then they light it up at night, which is really nice. Um, this home, we were actually very lucky that we got something that had a lot of space, because usually properties here don't have tons of space in them. But in the description, I put in the description of every room, I put the size of it in meters and also in feet, so that you can get an idea of how large the rooms are. Because usually in Italy, especially here, sometimes you get properties that are tiny, but these are tremendous. And we actually had lots of space to spread
Hmm.
out with our friends and family. So if you have people here, you might not even see them. But the rooftop deck was, great for entertaining, and we could fit a lot of people up here. I think once we had
Yeah.
30 people, and it wasn't crowded. So I mean, it was great. And we did everything that we wanted to do for this to be our permanent home. This wasn't done as a vacation home. So all of the upgrades that we did were were top notch. We
Much.
did underfloor heating in the main residence. Everything's has, air conditioning. We did, you know, premium quality furnishings and finishes and products that normally, I guess, if you were renovating a property just for rental, you wouldn't have done that. So we wanted to share this video with you so that you can get an over, see over the home, a little overview. And in the description, if you're interested in this home with the three properties, You can contact me through WhatsApp or the email link that I'll be setting up in the description. And now let's show you our home.